Those are so crazy.
Okay, we're at the Yu-Gi-Oh movie. Say hi, Carly. Say, show them what we got. Show them what we got.
Yeah, we got a manga. Look at this. Look.
I'm looking. I'm looking. Oh, does he say?
We got the glasses too. Look.
And we got the ticket.
We got the card.
Show him the card, Carly. Oh, snap. Oh. Okay. Yu-Gi-Oh movie.
Yes.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
It
Show
says the hottest game.
Hottest.
Hottest.
Yeah. Look, we're at the Yu-Gi-Oh game. Say hi, Carly. Hi. Okay, we're done. Okay, there's Vanessa Hudgens. She looks sexy. Look, there's Rango. There's Rio.
And there are other people
And
here.
there's some person.
Oh my gosh, it's prom. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. There's Hop.
Oh my gosh, a bunny. It's
Oh my
so
god.
cute. Okay.
Oh my god. 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 We're at this fantastic theater. Oh, my ticket's covering it.
Because it looks so huge and awesome.
It's like so huge.
Wow.
Like, even it has stairs.
I know.
Oh snap. And they even have games in the corner. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let's go see the games. Prom. Carly, stick your face in there.
Where are you going with? Oh my gosh.
Stick your face in there. You're taller. See? Oh, look. There's Carly. There's Carly. Oh, the girl just turned black. Oh my god. Okay. There's posters. Oh, the Smurfs. Smurfs. Oh. The Rio. Oh.
Oh my gosh, second person.
Oh my god. Let's look at the games. Oh. Look at the games. Look at the games. Oh. Tokens. Oh. Okay. We'll show you more videos later. Bye bye.
Oh.